Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my passive income streams as well as what I did to build them. Now, I know that passive income is a huge buzzword, but a lot of people mistake this as making money for nothing in return. And that's just not how it works. So if you're here looking to get rich overnight, then this is not the right video for you. The major difference between active income that you might earn from a regular job versus passive income is that passive income doesn't stop working for you if you stop working. So tomorrow, if I shut up shop and stop working, I would still be making most of these income streams. Yes, they might not grow as fast as I would like when I'm actively working on them, but they're still going to be making me money month after month. And that really is the beauty of passive income. But don't mistake this as free money or money that you get for nothing in exchange. Any kind of income that you can create in the world comes down to the value that you provide in exchange for it. You either provide value in terms of the time that you can invest into creating that income stream, or you provide value in terms of the money that you invest to create that income stream. So personally, I've been consistently working towards passive income in the last 2.5 years. And the reason why I've been doing it is so that I can have more freedom over my life and I don't have to be stuck in a rat race forever. So the first income stream is my blogging ad revenue. So I've had a lifestyle blog since summer of 2018. So it's been a little over 2 years since I've had this blog, but it took me about 8 or 9 months in the beginning to actually make it consistently earn some income. The reason being that I didn't really know how to get more people to read my blog, how to drive traffic, and how to really convert those visitors into customers. Now, I've tried various monetization methods when it comes to making money with my blog, but by far my favorite and the most passive way of making money is definitely through ads. So as long as I have people visiting my blog, which means that as long as I have traffic coming to my blog, I continue to make money on pretty much every visit on my blog. When it comes to the startup costs of blogging, it really is the cheapest of the 3 income streams that I'm going to share with you here. You can start with as little as $100 a year, and that's pretty much only going to go towards hosting your blog or your domain. Now, when it comes to what you need to create passive income from your blog, there are 3 things that you're going to need. The first is going to be your self-hosted domain so that you're actually able to monetize that blog with ads. The second thing that you're going to need is qualifying traffic from a particular traffic source. So you could drive traffic to your blog from YouTube, you could drive traffic from Google or Pinterest. And the third thing, once you've been able to build up around 10,000 page views a month, is an ad network. So you could start with Google AdSense and then move on to more premium ad networks like MediaWine, AdThrive, etc. The company that I've been working with is MediaWine, and even though my ad revenue has gone down by 50% last year because of the fact that I do have a lot of posts related to travel, and as we all know, travel as a category has pretty much disappeared since the start of 2020. But despite the hiccups, I've been consistently able to make $600 a month on my blog without really having to work actively on it anymore. Now, a lot of people ask me how long it can take to start making money blogging. In my case, it took me around 8 to 9 months until I actually started to generate a regular income, but it can be quicker for you if you're able to figure out a traffic source that works for you much faster. Now, blogging can be a great passive income idea for you if you are someone who is low on funds and wants to have as cheap startup costs as possible, if you're someone who likes to write and you can wait 1 to 2 years to consistently start making money from this income stream. The second passive income stream that I have is from YouTube ads. So I started this YouTube channel that you're now currently on in Jan of 2020, and it took me about 10 months to get monetized. This means that I was able to join the YouTube partner program and they started to run ads on my channel with Google AdSense. In January this year, this YouTube channel made $623 just from YouTube ads. Now, in principle, YouTube ads work very similar to blog ads, which means that the more traffic and views that your channel gets, the more money you're able to make with your ads. Now, the biggest advantage that YouTube as an income stream has over blogging as an income stream is the fact that YouTube in and of itself is a search engine, which means that you don't have to spend time driving traffic to your videos. YouTube does it itself for you. You don't have to spend time working on developing traffic sources like you would have to do for a blog. And that, I think, is a huge advantage if you're someone who is looking to also make passive income through ads, but you don't want to spend time on actively working towards traffic. Now, when it comes to how much you need to spend in order to start a YouTube channel, it is a little bit more expensive than starting a blog. So personally for me, I invested into a good camera, a mic, as well as a tripod right away, and that set me back around $800. But you don't need to invest in equipment right at the beginning. You can just get started with your phone camera and use the inbuilt mic to start creating videos. And once you start making money from your channel, you can then reinvest that into getting better equipment. Now, how much money you make on YouTube will really depend on the niche that your channel is in. There are some niches that do better than other niches, so do that research before you consider starting a channel. In addition to that, it will also depend on where you're based in the world and where your audience is based. So if your audience is based in higher income countries, you are going to make more money on ads compared to if your audience is based in lower income countries. The thing that I really love about YouTube as a passive income source is that you tend to make money on older videos as well. So once your channel is monetized, all of your videos, irrespective of when you created them, will continue to make money for you as long as people are watching them. So even if I stop creating videos for the next 2 months, I would still be making money on my old videos as they continue to gain more views and more traffic. In my opinion, a YouTube channel is the right fit for you if you have a little bit more budget to start up, you don't want to be chasing traffic, and you want to leverage the search engine power of YouTube itself, as well as the fact that you are comfortable on video or you're willing to learn what it takes to be comfortable on video. You can also be someone like me who has a blog and a YouTube channel, and you can combine the two passive income sources to make more money than just with one source. Moving on, the third and the largest passive income stream for me, which is my own products. Now, this is an income stream that I've been consistently building for the last 1 year and is by far the hardest income stream out of the three that I mentioned, but it's also the most scalable. When it comes to making money through blogging ads or through YouTube ads, you have to share a large portion of the revenue with the network that you're working with. But when it comes to your own paid products, your profit margins can be as high as 90 or 95%, especially depending on the type of products that you create. So personally, I like creating digital products over physical products because I don't need to invest a lot upfront into manufacturing the product, as well as the fact that I don't really need to have a warehouse or some kind of inventory stock that I need to maintain on a consistent basis. I can sell as many units of my digital products as I want every single day, and I can do that over and over again. The only major cost that I incur besides the time that I have to spend to create these products is the software that I use for delivering these products, such as my courses as well as my templates. Now, I first created and sold a product about a year ago, and in the beginning my sales were really slow because my audience was pretty small. However, since then I've been able to automate and scale the digital products to the point where I don't need to actively work in order for them to sell. So everything from the sales page to the checkout to the delivery of the final product is pretty much automated at this point, and the only place where I really come in is in terms of customer support or when people need direct feedback from me on something. This means that I don't have to do anything to be selling these products on a consistent basis, and they pretty much sell on autopilot as long as there are visitors that are coming in to check out these products. Now, the biggest thing that you need to create passive income from products is an audience. And by an audience, I don't necessarily mean followers or subscribers, but I'm actually referring to an email list of people that actually trust you and are interested in your content. You can either build your own audience and your email list, or you can leverage the audience of some other platforms such as Etsy or Amazon to sell your products. For me, I sell my products in two different places. One, directly on my business website, which is digitalempires.co, as well as with a partner website that basically acts as an affiliate for one of my products. So each time they make a sale, they get a little commission for selling that product, and I pocket the rest of it. The second thing that you need to actually create this passive income stream is an actual product. Now, you could create a physical product and sell it on Amazon or your own website, or you could create digital products. Personally, I'm very biased towards digital products because I don't have to consistently have costs of operations as well as maintenance, and I can pretty much automate them from end to end. Now, a lot of people think that you need a lot of products to create any substantial amount of passive income. But here's the thing, if you have just one product that sells at $100 and you make 30 sales a month, that's $3,000 a month and $36,000 a year. So as long as you get your one product right, you can absolutely add $36,000 a year to your passive income once you've been able to build an audience and learn how to sell this product to them. The best part about creating your own product is that your income is not really capped. And as your experience and your audience grows, you can definitely add more products on top of it to grow your revenue passively as well. When it comes to making money through ads or affiliate marketing, your revenue is very, very dependent on your traffic. So as soon as you lose the traffic, you lose all the revenue as well. There are more self-made millionaires from creating products than there are from people who monetize with ads. Now, this doesn't mean that one strategy is better than the other. You can definitely start with one passive income idea and work your way up to multiple ones. You need to figure out what it is that suits you and your natural talents best, and what it is that you can give time and consistent effort to. What's important to remember here is that there is not just one way to make passive income online. There's so many different ways that you can try out and figure out exactly which of these methods work best for you. The one thing that I want you to take away from this video is that there is not one particular way to make passive income online. There are so many ways that you can try out and see what fits your needs best. Not only this, it's important to remember that none of these methods work overnight. You do need to give it 1 to 2 years before you start to see any kind of consistent income from it. So I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments which of these passive income ideas resonate with you, and if you have any questions that you would like me to answer related to passive income as well. You can also check out my free digital product checklist where I break down the different steps you need to take to go from idea to launching your digital product. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more such weekly videos on how to grow your audience and income online. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.